The Independent Commission for Infrastructure, or ICI, hears and acknowledges the Filipinos' clamor for transparency. We are one with the people in its fight to hold accountable those responsible for the anomalous infrastructure projects through which billions in public funds have been stolen. In crafting the live streaming guidelines, the Commission carefully weighed rights of equal importance. First, the Filipino people's right to information, and second, the right of resource persons and of individuals who may be mentioned during the proceedings to due process. The ICI anchored these guidelines on the 1987 Constitution, which upholds the people's right to information on matters of public concern and provides that the state pursue a policy of full public disclosure of all transactions involving public interest, subject to reasonable conditions prescribed by law. With these principles in mind, and guided by law, issuance, and even cases decided by the Supreme Court, the Commission has decided that the hearings and proceedings of the ICI shall be live streamed, except in cases where there is a need to hold an executive session. Government agencies in the investigation of anomalous flood control projects or infrastructure projects, as well as resource persons or witnesses, may request that certain proceedings be held in executive session. The Commission may grant such requests if it determines that these have sufficient and factual basis and that granting them will not delay or hinder the Commission on fulfilling its mandate. These live streaming guidelines will also apply retroactively to the previous proceedings of the ICI. Media entities may broadcast the live streaming of the proceedings upon complying with the requirements of the Commission, and the Commission will be sharing to the public the full guidelines for live streaming in line with the Commission's thrust on transparency.
Attorney, kailan ito magsisimula and anong platform ang gagamitin ng ICI for the live streaming of this hearing?
Well, right now I'm discussing matters already with our technical team on how this will be handled. But under the guidelines, it will have to be controlled by the ICI through one outlet, and similar to probably in the Supreme Court, nakatap ang mga media outlets natin dun sa ICI platform.
Sir, this sa Facebook po ba or sa YouTube itong magiging live streaming ng ICI?
We're exploring both Facebook or YouTube.